Principal Ma'am, and campus in charge is here, our beloved parents and our little stars to the remarkable event First Letter Certificates Awarding Ceremony. So parents, do you have any idea what is the purpose of First Letter Certificates? మొదటిసారి తన చేతితో రాసినప్పుడు వాటిని షీట్ పైన రాయించడం జరిగింది. అంటే అవి మీ లవ్లీ కిడ్ రాసిన మొట్టమొదటి వాళ్ళ తల్లిదండ్రులుగా మీకు కానీ ఇవి ఎప్పటికీ వెలకట్టలేనివిగా అపూర్వమైనవిగా అనిపిస్తాయి. కాబట్టి మా శ్రీ నక్షత్ర స్కూల్ తన ఒడిలో అక్షరాలు నేర్చుకున్న ప్రతి ఒక్కరికి వాళ్ళ జీవితాంతం గుర్తుండే ఏదైనా గిఫ్ట్ను అందించాలి అన్న అభిలాషతో ఈ స్పెషల్ గిఫ్ట్ను రూపొందించి మీకు ప్రజెంట్ చేస్తున్నాం. సో దిస్ ఈస్ ద పర్పస్ ఆఫ్ ఫస్ట్ లెటర్ సర్టిఫికేట్స్. నౌ I would like to invite our chief guest of the event, Sri Dr. Mallidi Ramasandeep Reddy Garu, MBBS, KGH Vizag, MD, DMD Pediatrics, DIP Anesthesia, Kartikeya Children's Hospital, a renowned pediatrician in Ravulpal. Many of the parents know him. Yes? And the guest of honor of the event, Sri G. Venkatesh Garu, MD, Sri Srinivasa Hospital, and campus in charge, onto the stage and light the lamp to initiate the program. May I once again request our chief guest and guest of honor, along with our honorable directors, Principal Ma'am, to please come on to the stage.
गरुडगमन तव चरण कमल
वक्रतुंड महाकाय कोटि सूर्य समप्रभा निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देव सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा. श्रीराम राम रामेति परे रामनामे राम राम तत्तुल्यं राम राम वदामि.
सतु मम नित्यम् गरुडगमन तव चरण कमलमिह मनसि लसतु मम नित्यं मनसि लसतु मम नित्यं. मम तापमपाकुरुदेव मम पापमपाकुरुदेव मम तापमपाकुरुदेव मम पापमपाकुरुदेव.
So we are going to call them spellwise. So first 10 members hostaru. Okay parents, search for your little butterflies in that group. Principal Ma'am and campus incharge, please come on to the stage and give away the first spell of first letter certificates. Now I am handing over the voice to Kiran Ramya Ma'am. She'll announce the names of the kids.
Teachers, parents and my dear students. I am Ramya, faculty of nursery. I am honored to be a part of this special moment, distributing first letter certificates to our little achievers. This milestone marks the beginning of their educational journey. Let's celebrate this achievement and look forward to the exciting journey ahead. Now let's invite our Spell One little champions to come forward and receive the certificates from the hands of our esteemed guests. Tini but brainy K. Sai Niharika, all-rounder M. Adya, Mr. Perfect S. Gayatri Devarshita, Cutie Pie K. Moksha Sridevi, Quick Learner and Mokshit Chaudhary, Jumping Jack M. Parinay, Mr. Obedient Champ P. Ivan Samuel, Mr. Curious C. H. Kartish Nihal Reddy, Superstar G. R. Adya. Chatterbox P. Susan Joy, Wolfsburg P. Pragya Samyukta, Jumping Jack P. Reshit Sai, Quick Learner and Avyan, Mr. Perfect J. Srishant, Curious Cat C. H. Chaitanya, Tini Bhadraini P. Nandan Reddy, Super Active D. Lokshit.
Girlfriend, I'll give you two. Gender will make us new. Friend, baby.
ਤੂੰ ਲੈ ਆ ਤੇ ਮੈਨੂੰ 골ਡਨ ਝੁਮਕੇ ਮੈਂ ਕੰਨਾਂ ਵਿੱਚ ਪਾਵਾਂ ਚੁੰਮ ਚੁੰਮ ਕੇ ਤੂੰ ਲੈ ਆ ਤੇ ਮੈਨੂੰ 골ਡਨ ਝੁਮਕੇ ਮੈਂ ਕੰਨਾਂ ਵਿੱਚ ਪਾਵਾਂ ਚੁੰਮ ਚੁੰਮ ਕੇ ਤੂੰ ਲੈ ਆ ਤੇ ਮੈਨੂੰ 골ਡਨ ਝੁਮਕੇ ਮੈਂ ਕੰਨਾਂ ਵਿੱਚ ਪਾਵਾਂ ਚੁੰਮ ਚੁੰਮ ਕੇ ਮਨ ਜਾਵੇ ਮੈਨੂੰ ਸ਼ਾਪਿੰਗ ਕਰਾ ਦੇ ਮਨ ਜਾਵੇ ਰੋਮਾਂਟਿਕ ਪਿਕਚਰ ਦਿਖਾ ਦੇ ਰਿਕਵੈਸਟਾਂ ਪਾਈਆਂ ਵੇ ਚਿੱਟੀਆਂ ਕਲਾਈਆਂ ਵੇ ਓ ਬੇਬੀ ਮੇਰੀ ਚਿੱਟੀਆਂ ਕਲਾਈਆਂ ਵੇ ਚਿੱਟੀਆਂ ਕਲਾਈਆਂ ਵੇ ਓ ਬੇਬੀ ਮੇਰੀ ਵਾਈਟ ਕਲਾਈਆਂ ਵੇ ਚਿੱਟੀਆਂ ਕਲਾਈਆਂ ਵੇ ਓ ਬੇਬੀ ਮੇਰੇ ਤੇਰੇ ਹਿੱਸੇ ਆਈਆਂ ਵੇ ਚਿੱਟੀਆਂ ਕਲਾਈਆਂ ਵੇ ਓ ਬੇਬੀ ਮੇਰੀ ਚਿੱਟੀਆਂ ਕਲਾਈਆਂ ਵੇ ਮਨ ਜਾਵੇ ਮੈਨੂੰ ਸ਼ਾਪਿੰਗ ਕਰਾ ਦੇ ਮਨ ਜਾਵੇ ਰੋਮਾਂਟਿਕ ਪਿਕਚਰ ਦਿਖਾ ਦੇ ਰਿਕਵੈਸਟਾਂ ਪਾਈਆਂ ਵੇ ਚਿੱਟੀਆਂ ਕਲਾਈਆਂ ਵੇ ਓ ਬੇਬੀ ਮੇਰੀ ਚਿੱਟੀਆਂ ਕਲਾਈਆਂ ਵੇ ਚਿੱਟੀਆਂ ਕਲਾਈਆਂ ਵੇ ਓ ਬੇਬੀ ਮੇਰੀ ਵਾਈਟ ਕਲਾਈਆਂ ਵੇ ਚਿੱਟੀਆਂ ਕਲਾਈਆਂ ਵੇ ਓ ਬੇਬੀ ਮੇਰੇ ਤੇਰੇ ਹਿੱਸੇ ਆਈਆਂ ਵੇ ਚਿੱਟੀਆਂ ਕਲਾਈਆਂ ਵੇ ਓ ਬੇਬੀ ਮੇਰੀ ਚਿੱਟੀਆਂ ਕਲਾਈਆਂ
ਸਾਰੀ ਸਿੱਟੀਆਂ ਮਿਲ ਗਈਆਂ ਚਿੱਟੀਆਂ ਕਲਾਈਆਂ ਵੇ ਤੇਰੇ ਹੱਥਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਚੁੰਮਦਾ ਰਹਿੰਦਾ ਦਮ ਤੋਂ ਲੈ ਲਈਆਂ ਉਹ ਚਿੱਟੀਆਂ ਵੇ
ਮਨ ਜਾਵੇ ਮੈਨੂੰ ਸ਼ਾਪਿੰਗ ਕਰਾ ਦੇ ਮਨ ਜਾਵੇ ਰੋਮਾਂਟਿਕ ਪਿਕਚਰ ਦਿਖਾ ਦੇ ਰਿਕਵੈਸਟਾਂ ਪਾਈਆਂ ਵੇ ਚਿੱਟੀਆਂ ਕਲਾਈਆਂ ਵੇ ਓ ਬੇਬੀ ਮੇਰੀ ਚਿੱਟੀਆਂ ਕਲਾਈਆਂ ਵੇ ਚਿੱਟੀਆਂ ਕਲਾਈਆਂ ਵੇ ਓ ਬੇਬੀ ਮੇਰੀ ਵਾਈਟ ਕਲਾਈਆਂ ਵੇ ਚਿੱਟੀਆਂ ਕਲਾਈਆਂ ਵੇ ਓ ਬੇਬੀ ਮੇਰੇ ਤੇਰੇ ਹਿੱਸੇ ਆਈਆਂ ਵੇ ਚਿੱਟੀਆਂ ਕਲਾਈਆਂ ਵੇ ਓ ਬੇਬੀ ਮੇਰੀ ਚਿੱਟੀਆਂ ਕਲਾਈਆਂ ਵੇ
That's a fabulous performance. Well done, little star. Venkatesh Garu, accompanied by our honorable directors, principal sir, principal ma'am, to please come on to the stage and give away the Spell 3 first letter certificates to our children.
Silent thinker, Pri Prasasta Kumari. Sweet talker, M. Nagadya. Little chatterbox, P. Bhavishasri. Silent queen, S. Hrithvika Pragya. Little dancer, Sri Lakshmi Gupta, Little Fashion Star D. Elena, Miss Obedient Champ P. Vaishnavi, Best Storyteller K. Cherisha Krishnasai, Story D. V. Shant Reddy, Sharp Eyes B. Kevin Peter, Silent Thinker V. Kriti Satyasree.
It gives me immense pleasure to invite our honorable directors, Sri Nagareddy Garu and Chinta Ramu Garu, to please come on to the dais and give away the certificates for our children. I want Renka ma'am and Principal ma'am to accompany our directors.
Now let's invite our Spell 5 Little Champions to come forward and receive their certificates. Little Chandrabox K. Kshetrajna, Naughty Boy C. H. Rohit, Obedient Champ S. Devansh, Story Queen S. Rashmika Srivalli, Books Bug C. H. Vasanti Verma, Cutie Pie G. Anya Hensi, Mr. Curious K. Sriha, Toys Lover K. Lipi, and Mr. Perfect K. Vedant Reddy.
to deliver his valuable speech by coming on to the dais.
Really privileged and honored to address this meeting. And firstly, I would like to thank Nakshatra School Management and Honorable Dignitaries on the dais for providing me with this opportunity. And it's a great opportunity to interact with the future brains of our nation. See, convocation is a tradition where our achievement is like celebrated, and also at the simultaneously at the same time, like it also make us remember what we have to achieve in the future. And usually when we are studying, this was done in like MBBS, like after like graduation and all. It's really great thought that these schools nowadays are introducing this right from like nursery level. It's a small celebration, and also it is a great encouragement to all the parents along with the students and all. So it's really a great thought went through it, and I would really like to congratulate on this process. And looking at the kids, I remember my childhood days when we never had an opportunity of such things. Like these kids are really privileged, and they are having a lot of gadgets. Like Blackboard was the primary modality of teaching when we were students, but they have got screens and all those things. And every plus will come with a lot of minuses. So at this juncture, I would like to highlight a few things, even though it's out of topic. Screen time is like more, like what I am seeing in the OP and all. Lot of kids are getting addicted to smartphones. So restrict it to 1 to 2 hours a day. And also, our physical health is more important, and also our mental health. One more thing which we are seeing nowadays is like a lot of suicides are going on. So I feel that if we introduce yoga, meditation to these little tiny brains, then a lot of these like future happenings can be prevented. And third one is childhood obesity. I myself am a victim of childhood obesity. My grandma used to feed me like lots and lots of sugar. So what I would like to implant into your brain is like eat healthy and not like weight is not equal to health. Like I'm seeing people like kids who will be like weighing lot like more than like their percentile weight. Like we call it childhood obesity, but their hemoglobin levels will be low. So what is happening is we are feeding lot of sugars and junk food. So all these three, like healthy mind, healthy body, healthy individual, healthy nation. So these three thoughts I thought I just should share with you at this juncture, because if we start teaching these people all these things, like these tiny people, then it will turn out to be a good future for them. And as our ancestors rightly said, like the proverb which says that Kalli Tantri Guru Daivam. So first teach our students about the respect towards parents and also teachers. And at every step they should congratulate themselves, and they should have such a gratitude towards the parents and teachers who are striving hard for making them succeed in their life. And I've already told, like, we should celebrate the convocation thing, and also simultaneously we should teach them the responsibility which they are going to handle in the future. So with this I'll end the speech, and I wish success for all the future endeavors of the kids and parents, and really thankful to the Nakshatra management for inviting me here. Thank you.
Thank you for your words, truly remarkable and thoughtful. May I know and Rekha ma'am to felicitate our chief guest with token of love. Principal ma'am and Rekha ma'am to accompany our guest of honor onto the stage. May I now request Apurva ma'am to take the lead and call out the names of the LKG children.
Thank you, ma'am. Let me call upon the spellbound names of LKG little stars. Cutie Pie, Jasmine Verma. Lovely Cutie Pie, S. Nihra Verma. Silent Star, B. Rushik. Quick learner Y. Mohit, Curious Mind G. Varshasri, Smiling Star Karthik Venkatreddy. Of our LKG Little Stars, Little Angel D. Vaishnavi, Rocking Star A. Karthikeya Virajul, Cute Star J. Maurya, Stylish Star K. Ashwath, Quick Learner K. Rayansh Peretti, Jumping Jump B. Diya Karthik, Bundle of Innocence P. Suhan, Mr. Curious V. Neha, Sharp Eyes M. Kuladeep, Smiley Face D. Vinya.
Guest of honor with token of love. Session in a happy mood. So may I now call a woman to call out the 10 names.
Let me call upon spell 3 names of our LKG little kids. Bookwork GL Star CH Ashwin Verma, Panch Pataka T Ishita Srija, Sweet Rocker K Hamani, Cutie Pie M Karthika.
May I now request our honorable chief guest and guest of honor accompanied by our directors to please come out to the stage and give the first letter certificate.
గెడ్డం పట్టా సవరిస్తుంటే దేశం దద్దరిందే భుజమే ఎత్తి నడిచొస్తుంటే భూమి బద్దలయ్యే నువ్వు నిలవాలంటే ఆకాశం ఎత్తే పెంచాలే విడిపోవాలంటే చంద్రం ఇంకా లోతే తవ్వాలే వానకు తడిసి బిక్కుమంటూ రెక్కలు ముడిసి హొడుకుతుంటే నీదే తప్పవదా పెద్ద గద్దలాగా మబ్బుల పైన హద్దు దాటి ఎగిరావంటే వర్షమైన తలనే వంచి కాళ్ళ కింద కురుసైనా పుష్ప 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 రాజ్ పుష్ప 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 రాజ్ పుష్ప 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 రాజ్ పుష్ప 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 రాజ్
కొట్టాలోయ్ ఏ సీటడు నైజాము ఆంధ్ర సింధు తొక్కాలోయ్ సిటీకెళ్ళేసి వెల్కమ్ చెప్పండోయ్ సిరునవ్వులతో హారతి పట్టండోయ్ గ్యాంగు గ్యాంగు లీడర్ పంచారు లెక్కండోయ్ హ్యాంగు హ్యాంగ్ ఓవర్ గాలి పట్టండోయ్ గ్యాంగు గ్యాంగు లీడర్ పంచారు లెక్కండోయ్ హ్యాంగు హ్యాంగ్ ఓవర్ గాలి పట్టండోయ్ సీము సిరిగి సీటులు రిగి సీటి కొట్టాలోయ్ ఏ సీటడు నైజాము ఆంధ్ర సింధు తొక్కాలోయ్ పీపీ
Let's wind up this justful occasion by thanking God Almighty for showering His blessings on all of us. I especially want to thank our honorable chief guest and guest of honor for sparing their valuable time in their busy schedule. I feel grateful to our respected directors, principal ma'am, principal sir, and campus in charge for being our pillar in our every attendance. Last but not least, I want to thank our teachers for being a good example of teamwork. I especially want to thank technical team and choreographer for being so supportive, and workmates for fulfilling and taking care of all the tasks assigned. Thank you so much for coming.